one owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. I'm just going to make a real quick what would you do video. I could not handle leaving the front of this. It's a 51,000 mile truck. And I couldn't handle leaving this grill like this. It's just awful. And I'm not going to spend the 125 or so for a new one. Plus this emblem is like 80 to 100 bucks. And I'm not going to do that. I've got a fix for that. But I've got this grill out. And this thing's clean under the hood. Very clean. Very, very clean truck. Even the light works. Super clean. I thought that was a DC Delco battery, but it wasn't. But here's the choices. I got those two colors. So either like the brownish type goldish color or the silver, which the silver is kind of close. This is a different shade, but there's those two, or I could go with the hammered, it's like a light black. So that's my three choices of what I would paint this grill. I've also thought about painting it white. However, with a Chevy and a Ford, they don't match most any kind of white. I could go buy the expensive kind and get the actual color of Chevy white, which if you guys think that's the option, tell me. I'd be up for doing that, but I'm leaning towards this hammered here, and then I would paint the inset logo that color. I already did the wheels on this truck. I blew grease all over them now, but they actually are just excellent looking. But like I say, I clean this thing up a bit, and underneath, look at this. Look at that. It's a 95? 95 or 96? 95. The fires are bad, man. You can smell the smoke. It's really close. But that's the choices. That's the grill. That's the question for the night. And tomorrow I'll be doing it, tuning it. Like I say, I'm leaning towards this one. But hit me up. Let me know. What? What are you doing? Came out here and he's standing on my grill. But dude, you can't have this. It's wet. It's wet paint. What do you think? Okay, well, thanks for watching. Throw your comments down below. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out my last recent videos. I've been putting up a lot of them, and I'll be putting up a lot more. And some quickies like this. Who doesn't like a quickie?